Here's how you learn over 1,500 words, a printable resource that boosts your retention and makes learning fun, visual flashcards. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. First, what are visual flashcards? Visual flashcards are our printable flashcards that teach you 1,500 words across 60 topics. And if you're a beginner, these are an easy way to learn the most common words and speak more of your target language for free. For every flashcard, you'll get the word, the image, and the translation for easy retention. And your job is to go through and drill these flashcards and boost your vocabulary. But there are several ways you can learn with these that I'll talk about a bit later. How to get started with the printable visual flashcards. To get these visual flashcards, just click the link and sign up for a free lifetime account to our learning program. And these are a free resource for our members. So once you've signed up, check your email to activate your account and download the visual flashcards. Then print out PDF files and make sure to print in double-side format so you have the words on one side and the meanings on the other. And then cut out the cards and you're ready to go. How you'll learn words and phrases even faster. Now, you might be wondering, why not just study with digital flashcards? And yes, you can also find spaced repetition flashcards inside our program. However, there are benefits to learning with physical materials that'll actually help you learn better. If you're learning on your phone or your computer, you'll have tons of notifications and distractions. And chances are you'll get sidetracked and end up on another website, YouTube video, or app. It's almost impossible to focus, and you won't learn anything well if you can't focus. Our visual flashcards are a physical resource, which means there are no distractions. 5 minutes spent on physical flashcards will be much more effective than 5 minutes on your phone, where you have app companies constantly trying to get your attention. With the flashcards, you get one word per card, so you can easily focus on one word at a time and nothing else. Plus, physical flashcards are more easily accessible. If they're sitting on your desk, you can quickly take a look, but an app that's buried on the second or third page of your home screen will easily be overlooked and you won't learn anything at all. And physically interacting with the words and the cards will help reinforce your memory. Now, let's get into how to learn with these flashcards. 5 ways to learn with the visual flashcards. Once you've downloaded and printed the flashcards, here's what you can do. 1. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes and pick out 20 cards. Spend the first half reviewing the cards and the second half testing yourself on the meanings. 2. For the words that you struggle with, keep them in a separate pile. That way, you can focus on just the hard words and skip the ones you know. 3. Since the words are separated across 60 topics, you can focus on one topic at a time and keep at it until you're done with all 60 topics. 4. Place the cards on the objects they represent around your home. Or 5. Turn it into a game with your friends. Have them quiz you on the words. So pick which way works best for you and learn with our visual flashcards. Okay, so if you want to boost your vocabulary and speak more of your target language, download our visual flashcards for free right now. Just click the link and sign up for a free lifetime account to our learning program. Wait, before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Afrikaans PDF cheat sheets, teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hi, I'm Stelly. Would you like to speak real Afrikaans from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at afrikaanspod101.com. I have a question for you. If you're in South Africa and you want to communicate with an Afrikaner and you don't know any Afrikaans yet, does that mean there's no way of communicating? No, you can still use hand signs, right? Gestures. So today's lesson is going to be about hand gestures that you can use in South Africa. Handgebare in South Africa. And what you will learn is friendly, non-offensive gestures, gestures with more than one meaning, informal gestures for when you're with young people, and what not to do with your hands when you are in a formal setting, rude gestures that you want to avoid. And if somebody does flash a sign like that at you, get away from the situation. And gestures connected with superstition. Right, let's get going. So the first sign is the okay sign. It's pretty universal. Okay, so if you want to say something in Afrikaans with the sign, you can say X okay. So the okay word is actually acceptable in Afrikaans. And the apostrophe is just a contraction from ek is okay, which just means I'm okay. It really is very interchangeable with this one, right? Okay. If you want to say another one, if you want to say something is excellent, like maybe the food is excellent, you can say uitstekend. Say it. Uitstekend. Uitstekend. Ek's okay en uitstekend. What about thumbs up? So a very good Afrikaans one is doodreg. Doodreg. Remember the at the back of your throat. Doodreg. It means dead right, but it doesn't work in English. It doesn't work in English because it got nothing to do with being dead. But doodreg means it's right. It's really good. It's something to do with social media, like, I like it. Then you have to say, ek hou daarvan. Ek hou daarvan. Try it. Ek hou daarvan. Let's go to the next one. This is if somebody gets hurt, but not seriously hurt, okay? Just a little small minor issue. You want to commiserate with the person. You want to empathize. You're saying, ouch. You're feeling for that person, and you shake your hand like this, and you say, Eina, is jy okay? That means, ouch, are you okay? Let's try it. Eina, is jy okay? You would not use this if a person has just heard about somebody dying in their family or something. Obviously, that would be very insensitive, but a small thing, Eina. And often you can pull the air in through your teeth. Eina, is jy okay? Right, let's do the next one, because the next one is close to this, but not the same. So that's why I'm saying watch out. If somebody is caught red-handed in something he or she should not be doing, you do like this. Now you're in trouble. Nou jy in die moeilikheid. So you slap your first two fingers there like this together. Nou jy in die moeilikheid. That's different from, hey now. Is it okay? Right, the next gesture is to do with money. Lots of money or too little money. So if you want to say, whoa, that car costs a lot of money, it's very expensive. You can say, daardie kar is baie duur. Say it. Daardie kar is baie duur. But if you are busy shopping in South Africa and something is too expensive for you, or you want them to drop the price, you can say, dis te duur. Dis te duur. That means it's too expensive. I don't have enough money. You don't even have to say, ek het nie genoeg geld nie. You can just say, dis te duur. And they will know what you mean. So the next one also has two meanings. It can mean clever, or it can mean crazy. Slim, which has nothing to do with weight loss. Slim means clever, smart. Or of mal, which is crazy. So in Afrikaans, we have a very nice saying for being clever. You can say, sy's 'n slim kop. That means she has a clever head. Sy's 'n slim kop. Or if someone is acting crazy, sy's 'n mal kop. Sy's 'n slim kop. Sy's 'n mal kop. Obviously, you would not use this if somebody really has a mental problem. That would just be unkind and rude. So let's try again. Sy's 'n slim kop. Sy's 'n mal kop. Another one that is used by Afrikaners, but this is only if a person is in authority over someone else. Kom hier. That's usually used by a person that is going to scold the other one. Kom hier. Then we have the peace sign and the bull's horns. This is now more for the rap culture, the young people, and they will do the peace sign, which is, connected to the V for victory, and eventually became a peace sign. The other one that is connected to it is the bull's horns, which is something like this, or it can be like this. And in Afrikaans, this is a slang word, by the way. You have to know that. You wouldn't use this in a formal setting. Who's it? Who's it? Which means how's it in English. You would say how's it, and who's it in Afrikaans, which really means how is it. It's not really asking the person how they are. It's a greeting to say hi in this kind of setting. Who's it? Try it. Who's it? Now, this is what you would not do with your hands if you are at a job interview or with some older person that you would want to show respect to, because it's really a sign of disrespect in the Afrikaans culture. Stand with an older person or someone that you should show respect to with your hands in your pockets. So don't do that one. Right, rude signs, they are pretty universal too in the Western culture. So you'd want to avoid these. This is the fig sign, very rude. They all basically mean the same thing. It's a swear word. This is the same as the peace sign, but it's turned around. Okay, so watch. This is peace and this is rude. Okay, you might come across these if you're driving and you made a mistake on the road. Because in South Africa we drive on the left side, right? So if you made a mistake and somebody's flashing one of these signs at you, don't flash it back at them, please. Just go, and they will usually let it go. Okay, so don't retaliate. All right, and then superstitious sign. The first one is holding thumbs. So this is a sign of, I hope the best for you. Like, let's say somebody's going for their driver's license, and you say, ek hou duim vas. That means you're wishing them all the best. You hope they will pass. Ek hou duim vas. Try it. Ek hou duim vas. That means I'm holding thumbs. All right. And something that's very similar to that is the crossing the fingers. It's not as well known in Afrikaner culture, but it's also used, and it basically means the same thing. You would normally say sterkte. Sterkte means strength. So you're wishing the person strength. You're wishing them all the best. So try it. Sterkte. Sterkte. Now, if you have the same hand gesture behind your back, it would mean that you are trying to cover up the sin of lying. You're trying to cancel it out, which of course it doesn't. It really won't do. Or you're making a promise that you have no intention of keeping. That is if you have your fingers crossed behind your back, which is different from having this in front of your face and saying to somebody, sterkte. Let's go over those again. Ek's okay. Doodreg. Doodreg. Say it. Doodreg. Sy's 'n slim kop of sy's 'n mal kop. Dis baie duur of dis te duur. Kom hier. Ek hou duim vas. Ek hou duim vas. Sterkte. Sterkte. Who's it? Ina, is jy okay? Thanks for watching the video. And if you liked it, don't forget to show you liked it and subscribe to this channel. And please visit the website afrikaanspod101.com to get your free lifetime account right now. Get our learning program with real lessons by real teachers. Thanks so much and see you in the next video. Totsiens!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets. Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, do you know how to give reasons in your target language? No? Then get our new Connecting Thoughts PDF cheat sheet right now. You'll master must-know linking words like but, and how to provide extra information. Second, the Top Key Phrases PDF. Download this PDF and pick up the 50 key phrases that new learners should know, covering pleasantries, introductions, small talk, and much more. Third, the 50 most common adjectives. If you're a beginner and don't know these adjectives, then this is a perfect chance to boost your vocabulary. This 1-minute lesson will get them stuck in your head, guaranteed. Fourth, 20 phrases you'll need at the movies. Learn how to say, "Excuse me, you're in my seat. I'd like to buy a ticket," and much more with this 1-minute phrase lesson. And fifth, looking for a new language learning app? With the innovative language learning app, you'll learn language fast through conversations, and you start speaking in minutes because our conversation lessons are just 3 to 15 minutes long. Download innovative language learning for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.